everybody to travel about. We're over at Don Laughlin's Riverside Casino Hotel right here in Laughlin, Nevada. We are directly across the river from Bullhead City, Arizona, where we're currently with our RV. And we're heading on up to the second or third floor here, and we're going to check out his cars. He's got over 80 cars on display up here. And all you need to do is go down and get your Players Club, and you can get in here for free. That was it. I'm not going to be able to film in the rest of the casino and everything for you, but anyway, this was free. Just go downstairs, grab your Players Club card. It's free. Come on up here to the third floor, just 2 escalators up. There's also a bowling alley up here. There's movie theaters up here. This is a pretty laid back, really nice old school casino. Anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching. This was Travel About, and I just did a quick review of Don Laughlin's car collection on the third floor at the Riverside Casino. See you guys on the next video.